Good morning to all of you. I am Pratibha Patel, Assistant Professor in Ismati College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. In previous lectures, we have discussed about classification of antineoplastic agents and mechanism of action of antineoplastic agents. Now, let's start synthesis of some important antineoplastic agents. So, first drug is methotrexate. In case of synthesis of methotrexate, starting material is 2,4,5,6 tetraamino pyrimidine. This nucleus is pyrimidine and numbering start from this nitrogen atom. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth amine group attached at second, fourth, fifth and sixth position. So its name is pyrimidine 2,4,5,2,4,5,6 tetraamine. Now this react with 2,3-dibromo-propionaldehyde and one more nucleus or one more molecule is methylaminobenzoyl glutamine. So this one, 2 and 3, this is propionaldehyde, second and third position. This one second and this one is third. Bromine group is attached at second and third position. So name is 2,3-dibromo-propionaldehyde. When all these three compounds undergo the cyclization and dehydration reaction, then finally we get final product, that is methotrexate. This reaction is carried out in the presence of lime water, NaOH and acetic acid. Alkali water used to cyclization and these two reactions will take place and finally we will get product methotrexate. Next one is mercaptopurine. So synthesis of mercaptopurine. Mercaptopurine. This one. This is the structure of mercaptopurine. 6-mercaptopurine has two rings. One and two ring. First one is pyrimidine and another is imidazole ring. So combinedly this ring is hypoxanthine. This one. So this hypoxanthine react with POCl3 or phosphoryl chloride in the presence of pyridine. This hydroxyl group is replaced with chlorine that is 6-chloropurine, is further react with sodium thiocyanate. So this chloride or this chlorine group is removed through this sodium atom and removed in the form of NaCl. And SCN group, SCN or thiocyanate group will replace here and get attached at this position. So this intermediate or 6-thiocyanate purine is formed. Then 6-thiocyanate purine hydrolyzed. So thiocyanate get converted into thiol group and it become like this 6-mercaptopurine structure. This is a SAR of mercaptopurine, structure of mercaptopurine. So first point is the activity of the drug increases with increase in the carbon chain up to 15 to 16 carbon. After that it again decreases. So if 15 to 16 carbon chain is attached from this structure, then activity is increases. But if carbon chain more than 16 carbon atom, then again its activity is decreases. And second point, substituents at position 6. 6 position numbering start from this nitrogen atom. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This one. Substituent at position number 6, which can lead to increase in the resonance at 6th position, will lead to increase in the activity of drug. Next point, introduction of the hydrophobic substituent at 6th position. At 6th position, hydrophobic substituent at 6th position will increase the activity of drug. Hydrophobic substituents like alkyl groups or alkyl chain. Next point is substitution at 2nd position may not change the activity of drug. 2nd position, this position. Okay. So substitution at 2nd position may not change the activity of drug or it may decrease the activity of drug depend upon the type of substituents. Next drug is maclorethamine. This is the structure of maclorethamine. Maclorethamine is the first nitrogen mustard agent. It has good local action and highly active compound, but due to have acute effect, these drugs have no longer use. Maclorethamine is synthesized by two molecules of ethylene oxide react with methyl amine. This methylamine group break this bond of ethylene oxide and form this intermediate. So N CH3 this one and CH2 CH2OH CH2 CH2OH and this CH2 CH2OH from second molecule of ethylene oxide. So name of this intermediate is numbering 1, 2, 1 dash and 2 dash. So 2, 2 dash methylamine diethanol. Now, this intermediate is reduced with thionyl chloride and finally produce maclorethamine. SAR of maclorethamine, replacement of the sulfur atom by nitrogen will lower the toxicity of the compound. 2-chloroethyl group, this one, is essential for the formation of formation of aziridium ion or aziridium cation will attach with DNA for alkylation. Binding with the amino group will increase the oral root availability. यदि ये कंपाउंड रिसेप्टर से जाके इस अमीनो ग्रुप के थ्रू अटैच्ड होगा तो ओरल बायोबिलिटी इंक्रीज होगी. Introduction of the substituted phenyl group will also increase the oral root availability. यदि ड्रग के स्ट्रक्चर में फिनाइल ग्रुप है सब्स्टिट्यूटेड है तो भी ओरल रूट की वायबिलिटी इंक्रीज होगी. एरोमेटिक रिंग इंट्रोडक्शन विल इंक्रीज द स्टेबिलिटी. यदि इस स्ट्रक्चर में एरोमेटिक रिंग का सब्स्टिट्यूशन होता है तो ड्रग की स्टेबिलिटी भी इंक्रीज होती है और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी इंक्रीज होता है. बेंजीमिडाजोल रिंग है तो ड्रग लोकल एंड फास्टर एक्शन शो करेगी एंड हाफ लाइफ डिक्रीज होगी. ओके, so this is all about two antineoplastic agents. Thank you.